So I'm from Ghana, West Africa, and it's summer all the time in Ghana. So it was definitely a big shift moving to South Dakota. But I think I would say I adapted pretty well. I love Madison. I love the way it's such a small community of people, and I think that makes me even love DSU more. I started my research with Christelle Baker during the first semester of my sophomore year. A colleague in my general biology 1 class told me about a research about microplastics, and that was very interesting to me. So the three of us applied for a student research initiative known as the SRI Award, and we got that granted. So that was kind of the beginning of everything. We presented at DSU's annual symposium, the research symposium, and we went ahead to present at the national conference in Pittsburgh for undergraduate research. So that was really amazing. And as a result of the research on microplastics, I got the opportunity to continue that research in the University of Utah. So that was also pretty big. I studied microplastics and oil. I'm a research assistant at the Madison Cyber Labs, but I'm specifically involved with the ADAPT lab with Dr. Justin Blessinger. And our lab is focused on developing technologies for people with physical and or cognitive accommodations. And it's been a very fulfilling project, I would say. I'm definitely trying to cast a wide net. So I'm looking at grad school. I would love to pursue a PhD in computational biology, hopefully. I would say DSU has been really supportive, from applying and being granted some SRI awards to supporting me both in terms of the financial assistance and mentorship. There's a lot of uncertainty being an international student and moving from one continent or one country or even one state to another. But coming here to DSU, I would say was life-changing in terms of both the opportunities available to study and learn and opportunities to grow as a researcher.